Waddling down the garden track, she flaps her wings and gives a cheer. Good morning, friends, I'm waddling here. She splashes in a puddle so wide, with her duckling friends by her side. They swim around and dive so deep, then cuddle up and fall asleep. Ducky wears her little hat and waddles by, imagine that. She sees a frog and gives a smile. They hop and splash and play a while. At sunset time, the sky turns red.